The 2007 Chevrolet Trailblazer is a subpar vehicle. Real owners criticize the high cost of fuel as well as repair costs and mechanical problems. The infotainment system is outdated, the interior materials are incredibly cheap, the seats have thin fabric, and the dash and doors are covered in a lot of plastic. The 2007 Trailblazer is reasonably safe, earning 4 out of 5 stars in government crash tests. Performance from the standard V6 is good, and the largest V8 offers great power. Reliability ratings are below average. There are some improvements for 2008 and 2009 model years, but today we will talk about the issues of 2007 Trailblazer. It's the Car Problem YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Fuel gauges problems. The most frequent owner complaint, which typically manifests at 55,000 miles, is a broken fuel gauge. In comparison to other vehicles, the fuel sending unit requires more frequent replacement and costs $450. According to CarComplaints.com, the 2002 to 2007 Chevrolet Trailblazer is well known for a number of things, but its faulty fuel gauge may be the most well known. Some owners claim that after filling up, the gauge reads empty, while others claim that when they are running on gas, the gauge reads full. Regardless, there is one point on which everyone seems to agree. The stupid thing is simply incorrect. The NHTSA launched an investigation into the problem in May 2011 in response to numerous complaints and a few accidents that were allegedly brought on by the defect. Unfortunately, there hasn't been a recall announcement, frustrating owners. Oil consumption. For many Trailblazer models, the 70,000 miles mark is when excessive oil consumption becomes apparent. The engine has a few internal issues that are contributing to its excessive oil consumption. Some owners refill the oil on a regular basis, while others spend over $2,000 on seal replacements. Power window problems. Another frequent problem that owners report is power window failures at about 85,000 miles. The cause of the issue is a damaged window motor or regulator, which can be replaced for about $600. Headlights problems. While driving, the headlights turn off. Sometimes they simply won't turn off. Owners occasionally have to use high beams or drive in complete darkness when low beam does not turn on at all. This issue was the subject of a GM recall, but many dealers are refusing to address it. They claim that the vehicle's VIN is not in the database or that the recall has expired. Recalls. There are 5 recalls, and 4 out of 5 are related to driver's master power window switch may short, and the last 5th recall is about headlamps may fail. Reliability. A properly maintained 2007 Trailblazer should have a lifespan of about 150,000 miles, which is half as long as top-rated rivals like the Toyota Highlander. According to RepairPal, routine annual maintenance costs are $479 per year, significantly higher than competitors. Most 2007 Trailblazer models will have over 100,000 miles, and it means then they will need to replace parts like the oil pump for $1,500, fuel injectors for $600, and wheel speed sensors for $500. Should you buy? No. Popular rival, Jeep Grand Cherokee, is only a few $100s more expensive. The Grand Cherokee performs better off-road, but the Trailblazer has more cargo space. We recommend the Grand Cherokee since there are fewer serious complaints from owners. Another competitor, the Toyota Highlander, is about $1,000 more expensive. The Highlander has more modern technology, but the Trailblazer performs better. The Highlander is advised because it is more affordable and has a longer lifespan.